Hi my Glamies, I'm coming at you today with the customization of this lace closure as promised. So what we're gonna go ahead and do today is bleach the knots and customize the hairline by plucking the knots. As you can see down there, we have a lot of little black dots, or should I say knots, and that's what we're gonna be bleaching today. I'm just gonna go ahead and speed through this whole process because we don't want to spend a whole day here, guys. So yeah, so before we go ahead and get this mixture ready, just make sure that I just want to let you guys know that it needs to be of a thick texture so it doesn't run through your lace and color your hair. And I'll be using just the bleaching powder that I got from Sally's and the Volume Developer 30. And we're done. So before applying the bleach on your lace closure, just make sure your hair is all laid back so you don't color it more than you need to. And I usually just pin it on the lace on my mannequin head. It works much better for me. So as I'm applying this bleach on my lace closure, I just make sure that I'm dabbing it and not pressing it in because I don't want to color my hair more than I need to. Oh my lord. I just feel like I keep on repeating this, guys, but actually it needs to be said because if you press it in more, you're gonna color your hair more than you need. I went back in a couple of times also to check and see if he was colored enough, and he wasn't here. And right here, as you can see, it was a little blurry there. Right there. As you can see here, it looks like it's actually going out of someone's scalp. And depending on anybody skin complexion, you may want it to be bleached more or not. So yeah, it was just fine for me. There we go. We right now going to be applying a neutralizing shampoo, and what the neutralizing shampoo does is to neutralize the action of the bleach on our hair. So yeah. And after that, we'll be applying our toning purple shampoo. What the purple shampoo does is to get rid of the brassiness, that orangey color that you see there. It's just toning it down. That's the reason why I use it. If you want to know more about it, you can always Google it or actually buy yourself a bottle and read. That's what I usually do. So yeah. And I let it sit for 5 minutes. Stay tuned, guys, because I'll be making a wig actually with this lace closure and some other human hair. There we go. Now we are applying our hair conditioner to make our hair all soft and nice. are finally done with the washing and bleaching. And as you can see down there, just from not even plucking, it looks like it's growing out of someone's scalp. Yes, I'm actually very happy with this because I didn't make any mistake by bleaching the hair more than I needed to. We can part it right there and it looks like a scalp under there, which I'm really happy with. Now we're gonna start the plucking process. Oh my. The plucking process is what takes the most time. So this is where you're gonna know if you actually want to buy your wig already pre-plucked, or if you're gonna go through the I say hassle. For me it's fun though, but it can be quite it can be a lot, and it can also be really messy because you're gonna have a lot of hair everywhere. So, and I just went back in there also just to pluck some more. That's what I usually do. I go inside and even pluck more. And the more we pluck here, the more open you see it's getting. So my hairline is actually not empty. I have quite a bit of hair, so this was gonna be my wig. I was not gonna make the hairline really open looking. So, and also I didn't want that much baby hair because I don't have that much baby on this particular unit at least. So in a future wig I'll be having more baby hair so you guys can see how I do that. And guys, at this point I was actually in a rush. I had spent so much time doing this and I had an appointment, so I had to go. I would have maybe spent more time using my brush so the baby hair can look a little better for you guys, which this is how I actually set my baby hair before styling them. I feel like it works much better for me. Just stay tuned for the wig I'll be making to see the final product. And you guys, don't forget to please subscribe, like, give me the thumbs up, and also hit the bell down below to be notified of all my upcoming videos. I thank you so much guys for watching this video. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.